What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be going over the WatchOS 6.1.2 software update. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so I just went to the Watch app on my iPhone and I was just browsing, and as you can see, it doesn't really give what the update is for. It just pretty much says this update provides important security updates and is recommended for all users. So for more information on the security content of Apple software updates, please visit the website. So let's go ahead and visit the website and see if we can find more info. Okay, so okay, let's see. Okay, so about the security content of WatchOS 6.1.2. For our customers' protection, Apple doesn't disclose, discuss, or confirm security issues until an investigation has occurred and patches or releases are available. So it looks like they're not giving too much information, but you can click that link to find out more, definitely. Okay, so they actually have a list of things that are being updated. Audio, annotation kit, image IO. Okay, so these are just some of the things. It actually looks like a lot of stuff, guys. But then again, you know, it's up to you totally if you want to go ahead with the software update. But I would just briefly browse through this list to see if it's anything you care for or if you feel like you would actually need the update. Again, with some of these updates, you guys have to remember that they aren't totally necessary, and sometimes they even cause issues rather than fix stuff. So that's just something to keep in mind as well. But yeah, this is a hefty list. So if you would like, just go ahead and browse it. And let's go back to settings. Okay, guys, so let me go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi on my iPhone as well as my Apple Watch. Okay. Wi-Fi is on. Okay, and so it's beginning to download the software. Then once it downloads it, we can install it and be on our way. So let's just wait for that to go ahead and start. Also, guys, please do not forget that your phone doesn't necessarily have to be on the charger, but it does need to be at least 50% charged, and your Apple Watch needs to be on the charger and 50% or more charged. Okay, so now it is ready to install. Let's go ahead and install. Okay, passcode. Verifying. Let's keep that awake. Verifying. And this update is also a little over 100 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long to install. I believe it was 113 megabytes. Okay, guys, so it has begun. Alrighty. Okay, WatchOS 6.1.2, your software is up to date. So that is the end of the video, guys. And again, you know, if you don't feel like you need to update, then don't do it. But also, if you do, we saw the list. It was a pretty hefty list. And even though these are just security updates, you never know what's going on in the background of your, you know, your equipment and your Apple Watch, and even for the new iOS update that I'm going to be doing a video on for your iPhone. You never know what's going on in the background, so I would go ahead and give the update a shot, but it's entirely up to you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.